This video will give you a more seamless cabin experience and allow you even greater access to remote vehicle controls, security, and convenience features within the MyINFINITI app. Before you get started, you're going to want to make sure you have your MyINFINITI app login credentials. This is the same as your Infiniti ID email and password. If you have not registered yet, set up your account in the MyINFINITI app or MyINFINITI owner portal. Download the MyINFINITI app to your compatible smartphone from the App Store or on Google Play. Tap Register and follow the registration process to create an account and add your vehicle. Make sure you accept the app terms of service to continue. Let's get started. Look at your infotainment screen and see if your vehicle is getting a satellite signal. If you see this icon, we are ready to start. Now, tap the Settings icon. Then, tap Users. If you already have an existing profile, tap your user profile below. Then tap Infiniti InTouch Login. Tap the blank space to the right of user ID and password to fill in your Infiniti InTouch Services login credentials. Tap the Login button when complete. If you are a new user and don't have an existing profile, please set up your new user profile first. Tap the Settings icon, then tap Users. Tap Add User, and it will take you to the Welcome to Your Car screen. Tap Set Up Profile, then tap Next to name your profile. Feel free to have fun with it. You will now see an overview of Google's terms of services. Tap Accept to continue. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, tap Infiniti InTouch Login. This is the most important step to finish activating your Infiniti InTouch Services features and remote features in the MyINFINITI app. Tap the blank space to the right of User ID. The User ID is your Infiniti ID email used for your MyINFINITI app login. Now, tap the blank space to the right of Password to enter your MyINFINITI password. Tap Login above User ID. If you see a Next button, do not press it. If your vehicle is connected, you will get a Login Successful notification. It will bring you right to this page and you will see Infiniti InTouch Login with a green checkmark. This step is now complete. Congratulations! Enjoy using all the features you just unlocked. Now, let's get you signed into your Google account. Be sure to have your Google account login, email, and password. If you don't already have one, you can create one at google.com for a more personalized experience. Now, tap Set up Google Assistant and Apps to the right of the screen. You can sign into your Google account on screen with your smartphone with a QR code. You will see a confirmation screen that says, "You're signed in." Tap Next and then tap Done for now. Congratulations! You've finished setting up your vehicle and have activated Infiniti InTouch Services. You can now remote lock and unlock your vehicle, remote start the engine, and all kinds of new features in your MyINFINITI app. Start trying them out and have fun exploring your new services.